Today, we're going to talk about how artificial intelligence, or AI, can be used to benefit email marketing. Make sure to watch until the end of the video because we have a surprise gift for you that will help you to make from $100 to $300 per day extra income. Email marketing has been a popular and effective way to reach customers for years, but with AI, it can become even more personalized, targeted, and efficient. One way that AI can benefit email marketing is through the use of predictive analytics. Predictive analytics can help businesses understand their customers' behavior, preferences, and interests based on their past interactions with the brand. With this data, businesses can create personalized email campaigns that are more likely to resonate with their customers and drive conversions. Another way that AI can benefit email marketing is through the use of machine learning algorithms. Machine learning algorithms can analyze large sets of data and automatically identify patterns and trends. This can help businesses optimize their email campaigns by identifying the best time to send emails, the most effective subject lines in email content, and the types of offers and promotions that are most likely to drive conversions. AI can also be used to automate email marketing tasks, such as segmentation, A/B testing, and personalization. This can save businesses time and resources while improving the effectiveness of their email campaigns. In addition, AI-powered chatbots can be used to provide customer support and answer frequently asked questions via email. This can help businesses provide better customer service and improve customer satisfaction. Of course, there are also some challenges and ethical considerations to keep in mind when using AI in email marketing. For example, businesses must ensure that they are transparent about how they are using customer data and obtain customers' consent before collecting and analyzing their data. In conclusion, AI can be a powerful tool for businesses looking to improve their email marketing efforts. By leveraging predictive analytics, machine learning algorithms, and automation, businesses can create more personalized, targeted, and effective email campaigns that drive conversions and improve customer satisfaction. Like we promised in the beginning, get your free gift and surprise now. Learn how to make from $100 to $300 per day by checking the link in first comment under this video. So, be sure to check it out and start making money online today. So, what are you waiting for? Start leveraging the power of AI today and take your content creation to the next level. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on marketing and technology.